Alright, so check this out. I'm gonna put this video here up on the Bad Grass Dude channel. Now, check this out. I've got a slight problem. Yeah, I do. Check it out. So, this is what's happened to me. Just barely. You hear that? You hear that? I've got some problems on my Wright mower. It's the starter. But I've got another one coming. Actually, it's here already. We're gonna go change it out, so stay tuned. All right, folks, so here we go. We're gonna swap out this starter on my Wright standard ZK. Now, it's got the Kawasaki FX 850V motor. Now, I cross-referenced some starters off of Amazon, and we're gonna see if they work. Mainly, the main reason why I did this is because I called around. It was a Saturday morning. Went to a job site, wouldn't start. So I called around, some of the dealers didn't have it. Some of them weren't open. So I got on Amazon and I found same day delivery. So anyways, this right here is gonna be a 13mm. And I believe that right there is going to be a lovely 10mm. So we got this bolt right there. This bolt right here, and then we got another one right back there that we're gonna take off. So, all right, check this out. Update. We're gonna try something here, okay? Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes, lately, I guess I've been neglecting blowing off my lawnmower. I used to try to blow it off all the time, but I need to start cleaning out some of this stuff here. Recently, we've been yeah, it's just some of this dirt in here for the hydros. Gotta clean that out. I usually try to blow this stuff out here for the fans. But check this out with this battery cover here, right? I don't really pay attention to the battery, but look how horrible this is. Don't be like me. Check this stuff. Clean it. So is what we're gonna do. We've got our mixture here of baking soda and water. We're gonna clean this and clean these connections because I don't know why I didn't think of this before, but I don't think it's my starter because I can jump start my starter. So I think I'm not getting power from here to there. And this has happened before actually on my 36, and honestly, I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just the situation I was in. I was already frustrated. This happened, and then I had a flat on my front tire. Luckily, I had a plug. So I was able to fix my front tire, but I think yesterday I was just scatterbrained. Hence the name of my other channel, Scatterbrained. Or not scatterbrained, but that's where the Scatterdad came from. Originally it was Scatterbrained, and then I shortened it to Scatterdad. But anyways, I'm gonna put this ground back on, and I'm gonna clean this stuff here, and then I'm gonna try to start it. So stay tuned, and I will let you know what I find out. All right, let's check this thing out. So, clean those connections. Didn't work. It was in fact the starter. So, here we go. Boom! Was in fact the starter. So, problem solved. Check out my channel. Check out some other thing. Hey, most importantly, like and subscribe. So, I'm probably gonna put this on both channels actually, because I'm monetized on the one channel and I'm not monetized on the other. So I'm gonna do a few different things here, and I will do the actual starter swap out. There is obviously something down here, a bolt that the positive connects to, that you do have to change out, put that little cover back on. But yeah, so you do have to swap that, but other than that, this little piece will come off. Don't forget to put everything back. Don't forget to put everything back the way it came off. So make sure you watch for those little other wires that are connected to your wires. The bottom one had the power plus 2 other green ones on the solenoid, so, or green and yellow one. I don't know, make sure you check all that. Make sure you put everything back together. And yeah, have a good day.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane.